Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding Python Variable Assignment, Copying Values, Not References. Introduction. In Python, when you assign a variable to another variable, it's crucial to understand whether you are copying the actual value or just creating another reference to the same object. This tutorial will delve into how to copy variable values without referencing the original object, providing clarity on this fundamental aspect of Python programming. Shallow copy. A shallow copy creates a new object, but it does not create copies of nested objects. Instead, it copies references to the nested objects. Output. In this example, modifying the nested list in the shallow copy also affects the original list. Deep copy. A deep copy creates a new object and recursively copies all nested objects, ensuring that changes in the copy do not affect the original. Output. Here, the modification in the deep copy does not affect the original list. Using slicing is another way to create a copy of a list or tuple. Output. The original list remains unchanged because the slicing operation creates a new list. The copy module provides a copy function for creating shallow copies. Output. The copy function creates a shallow copy, affecting nested objects. Understanding how variables are assigned and copied in Python is crucial for avoiding unexpected behavior in your programs. Whether using slicing, the copy module, or employing deep copies, you now have the tools to manage variable assignments with confidence. ChatGPT.